welcome to Plant Talk. In this video I show you how to grow runner beans from sowing the seeds to harvesting the beans. This is a runner bean seed that I am going to sow in a small pot filled with compost. I recommend sowing 1 bean per pot and sowing it 1 inch deep. Cover the seed lightly, water it and keep it aside for the seed to germinate. It will take about 3 to 4 days for the seed to germinate. Once they are about 4 inches tall, they can be transferred into a larger pot or can be planted outside like I have done. Runner beans are creepers and need support to climb, like peas and other beans. I have used sticks and string for support. It will take about 6 to 8 weeks before your plant is covered with vibrant scarlet-red flowers. Once a flower has been pollinated, thanks to the bees, the petals will dry out and give way to a tiny bean. The bean grows bigger and bigger, and this one looks like it's ready to harvest. Look who we have here. Can you see it? It's the green shield bug. The funny thing is, if it feels disturbed or threatened, it sends out an unpleasant odour, which is why it's also known as the green stink bug. Let's see how many beans we can harvest today. These sure look like lots of beans. We normally harvest before the beans inside begin to swell. This bean was hidden among the leaves and left for too long. Look how big the beans are. If I were to leave the bean on the plant to dry, we would get some seeds, a bit like these, and we would sow them next year. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like and share this video. Bye!